It's early, it's about 6:30 in the morning. We're going to be taking off and departing to Florence, South Carolina to work with a general dentist and his oral surgeon. We're taking our iCam photogrammetry unit. We're going to take a 3D printer. I'm going to design some teeth in exocad today. So we're going to do a same-day 3D printed smile. It'll be the first trip taking a small Cirrus aircraft to head across the country. So the goal is to fly up there this morning, design, print teeth, and fly home, be home to the kids, have dinner with the family. All right, so we're just getting ready to take off. Really for me, my checklists come the day before. So yesterday I went through and do I have everything I need to take to the surgery? Okay, in this bag right here, I have a 3D printer. All right, in this right here, I have my photogrammetry unit, which is the iCam. There's also an intraoral scanner in here. I was recently given the i900 from Medit. I also have in my backpack the i700 to take as a backup. Laptop, exocad dongle, gloves, impression material. I pretty much go through a checklist of everything that I need the night before so that when we fly to a surgery, you know, we have everything to provide 3D printed same-day teeth. A lot of the dental offices that we work for don't have a 3D printer, or they might not have a photogrammetry in it, or maybe they have an intraoral scanner that we're not familiar with. We bring everything on site. Right now, Josh is going through his checklist with this Cirrus. We're here up in Tampa and about ready to fly to Florence, South Carolina. So he's going to go through that checklist, and then he's already pre-prepped last night, filed an IFR flight plan, and so we are ready to take off early this morning.